Introducing Capten Stack and Universal Orchestration Framework designed to streamline your application lifecycle, automate critical processes, and fortify your security measures, all from a single, unified platform. Capten Stack represents the ultimate DevSecOps solution, facilitating engineering enablement and fostering digital transformation seamlessly via platform engineering and self-service capabilities. It stands as the singular, comprehensive solution for your cloud-native ecosystem, ensuring that all your project needs are met efficiently and also empowering engineers. Comprising a suite of pioneering solutions, Capten Stack addresses the evolving demands of the industry today and in the future. It is built with core capabilities like CI/CD, GitOps, chaos engineering, configurations and infrastructure as a code, security and compliance policies as code, automation to meet your DevSecOps and SRE needs, implementing software supply chain security measures, automating vulnerability management and quality engineering, customization and extensibility, ease of integrations with plugin architecture, observability, visualization, and many more. In today's demo, we will be showing how day-to-day engineering activities can be streamlined using the core components of Capten Stack. At a high level, Capten provides GitOps, where Git being your single source of truth to ensure secure CI/CD process is always in place to assure desired state of applications and infrastructure, implementing software supply chain security measure to verify source code integrity, automating functional testing using the industry's new standard concept called trace-based testing, right in the development stage of the applications using Quality Trace, QT, which helps developers to identify the issues in the applications proactively. How proactive automated vulnerability management can be achieved via a component called Proact. How an end-to-end visibility is provided in automated fashion to ease the daily operations of Ops and SRE teams via our observability framework called KubeWiz. And also, we will introduce how our new agnostic framework called GenVal will make daily hands-on workload of engineers an ease. Let's dive into how Capten simplifies app development and maintenance with a quick demo. First up, we will set up the platform via the Capten Airgap method CLI, command line interface, which builds the isolated Capten control plane cluster within your network. Start onboarding in 3 simple steps. Start by integrating your application or Git repository. Capten's agnostic framework empowers your team to choose or add a cloud provider and your preferred container registry. Forget compatibility concerns. Our platform champions flexibility and choice, adapting seamlessly to your team's unique needs. Before moving to the next step, let's take a quick tour of the secure, isolated Capten cluster, where tools for CI/CD, observability, installed apps, and the application store are all neatly categorized. This streamlined layout puts essential tools right at your fingertips. Use our customized Grafana to visualize your application's health and performance. Gain real-time insights and a clear overview of your application's metrics for proactive management and optimization. Take a look at this customized dashboard, specifically tailored for Capten, to show you what's happening in the control plane cluster. Now, let's create a business cluster using Capten plugins, where you select your cloud provider and configure your project. Once configured, you'll receive a cluster with a downloadable kubeconfig file. These steps lay the foundation for your application's infrastructure, preparing it for smooth deployment and operation. Next, let's see a simple use case of how an application benefits from using Capten. The codebase has the Docker file, Helm chart, and Quality Trace, QT, functional test file. Now, let's see how native CI workflow dynamically reads any changes in the read.md file, with these updates instantly reflected on Grafana. The cloud-native CI platform plays an important role here. It manages the QT test, tracks the deploy log, handles artifact signing, and sends status messages back to the Git repository. From building, testing, signing, and verifying artifacts, pushing container images to the registry, and updating the status in the Git repository, this entire workflow is automated with the end-to-end process designed for efficiency and reliability. Check out the Quality Trace dashboard on Grafana for detailed logs And also, you can see how images are effortlessly pushed to the registry, a snapshot of seamless development to deployment. View your application through a GitOps lens, showcasing the synchronization and management of your deployments directly from Git, which is the single source of truth. Check application traces for observability and monitoring, troubleshoot, and optimize your app's performance with precision. Capten streamlines software supply chain security by centralizing critical data. From application cluster metrics and time-stamped logs that offer a complete history to Kubernetes, observability, and generating a software bill of materials. Capten ensures every aspect of your application's security and performance is transparent and manageable. This integrated approach not only enhances security, but also simplifies the complexity of managing modern software environments. Furthermore, streamline your security with Proact, our agnostic tool that automates vulnerability management, updates dependencies, and keeps container images updated, all with minimal manual efforts like one-time configurations. Once you deploy Proact in your Kubernetes cluster, start the scan through port forwarding for Capten. As the logs load, watch the scan in real time. You will receive multiple reports detailing the scan's findings, beginning with the SBOM report that includes information on IDs and vulnerable packages, runtime packages in use, extra unused packages detected by Profiler in the runtime container, and a consolidated report highlighting vulnerabilities and their severity for each software package. The system automatically pushes the patched image to your container registry, streamlining the entire vulnerability management process for modern applications. The log is accessible on Grafana, allowing you to utilize it for purposes tailored to your specific needs. Use Capten to discover comprehensive observability reports in one place. View different levels of insights with our Cookviz features, offering a complete perspective on your application's health and performance. Capten's agnostic framework streamlines application provisioning and maintenance, meeting industry standards, and allowing easy integration of technologies or tools as plugins. It's the ultimate toolkit for DevSec and Ops teams to innovate, secure, and operate efficiently by empowering your platform engineering needs and self-service capabilities. But that's not it. There's more you can do with Capten. Streamline your infrastructure and automation activities with GenVal, a tool that simplifies generating and validating infrastructure manifests. You have Capten, but you need to use it on a daily basis easily. And, as a matter of fact, you need to use your platform engineering stack daily. Hence, GenVal was born. It helps with coding the platform engineering aspects, and it is an agnostic automation framework that helps you build your own features as well. Embedded with best practices and security measures, it enables engineers to rapidly create Dockerfile for container images and infrastructure manifest files. No learning curve required. GenVal is your solution for easing daily engineering tasks, making the day-to-day hands-on workload effortlessly manageable. See GenVal in action, seamlessly integrating best practices and security measures for the quick creation of Docker container image and infrastructure manifest files. Generate and validate Kubernetes manifests, ensuring they meet rigorous security measures. Fortify your Git workflow, embedding security at every step of the development process. Watch the generation and validation process for containerizing the applications as GenVal creates Dockerfile with best practices. Capten Stack places security at the forefront of operations, maintaining proactive measures and regularly assessing vulnerability reduction over time. Enable proactive engineering team with Capten.